Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing for beginners, specifically profitable niche markets. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel just to let you make an informed buying decision. I also do some personal development. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing for beginners and profitable niche markets. Now, a lot of times when people come online, they're told to find something that they're passionate about and go into that niche. Well, is that really good advice? My story, if you haven't seen it, I'm going to post it in the description below the video, but I have been marketing online for 10 years, had to take a really long extended break because of some serious family health reasons, and then I was forced to come back online last summer because of all the medical bills. And so I wanted to find a niche that would be profitable and eventually replace my six-figure income, which I work as a physical therapist. So I was asking my mentor, my passion is personal development. You know, if that would be a good niche to go into in building my YouTube channel. Well, a lot of people are told that to go in, you know, find something that you're passionate about, but that isn't always the best way to make money. And I'm going to show you here why here in just a minute. But my mentor told me, which I'm going to tell you to hopefully save you a lot of years of frustration, is that use a niche that's already proven to work to get results as a stepping stone to get to where you want to be. So even though my passion is personal development, let me pick a niche that's already proven to get in, I can get results and make good money and replace my income, and then I have time and, you know, have the time and financial freedom to do more personal development, which is what I love to do. So think of it, you know, if you like to golf, maybe you can't build a business around golfing and make a living with it, but you could build a business around a proven profitable niche and then have the time and financial freedom to go play golf whenever you want to. So that's the advice that I took from somebody who makes millions online. And an example is if I would have chosen personal development versus make money online, which is what I did choose. I'm going to give you an example of just the breakdown of how much I could make in that niche and how much I can make in the make money online niche. So with personal development, a product, just an example would be Overnight Millionaire System, which I just did a review on. By the way, this is a really good product here. Overnight Millionaire System. Wesley Virgin is the creator of it, and he's a multi-millionaire. Now they do pay out 90% commissions, but it's a low ticket item, and the average sale is $18.18, but 90% commissions are good. And so there's a 1 to 2% conversion rate is the industry average. So let's say you have 100 visitors that go to your website or go to your affiliate link or your opt-in page, and so you would get like 2 sales, which is $36.36. So you can imagine that you would have to drive a lot of traffic, like hundreds of visitors a day to make, you know, to replace my income would be, I'd have to do over 10 times that amount. I'd have to drive at least 1,000 visitors to my website a day, and that would be a lot of money, you know, if you're using paid traffic. Or if you're not using paid traffic, that's going to be a lot of visitors. Now let's compare that to the Make Money Online niche, which again is what I chose. We're going to look at this product, High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator, specifically Transcend Accelerator. Now this is a $2,500 product, but let me just show you. This is the training that I learned to have some really great success and get a lot of high ticket sales with this tube traffic selling system, launch sniping, massive traffic formula with Paulo Barroso, free Facebook traffic method with Fraser McDonald. These are all 7-figure income earners. Chatbot Profits with Brian Dixon. So you can see that this has a really high value to it. And not only that, but you can earn 50% commissions. So it's a $2,500 product, which again you can relicense and resell. And if you look at the same conversion rate of 1 to 2%, or 5% by offering bonuses, which is going to give you an even higher percentage conversion rate, then if you look at the same thing, driving 100 visitors to your website, 2 sales will get you $2,400. So each sale on this product will give you $1,250. Then you can also earn 25% on JVs. So any affiliate that you refer this product to that makes a sale, you earn 25% of that. So there's some leverage there. So you can see that the amount of sales that you're going to need are so much less than if you're going to make 2 sales for $36.36 or 2 sales for $2,400. And I will tell you that it is just as easy to make high ticket sales as it is to make low ticket sales. And I can attest to that, because when you offer bonuses, which we have here in the Transcend Accelerator, when you offer bonuses and people see the value of a product where they can learn how to finally have success online, then it becomes easy. And I've had some really great success selling high ticket items. I've had even $1,000 sales without ever speaking to a person, and it's just a different caliber of people that you're marketing to. But again, if I would have gone into the personal development niche and done videos around that, I would be really happy and fulfilled making those videos, which I do really enjoy, Make Money Online niche, but I would not be making the kind of money that I'm making with the Make Money Online niche. So that's just my advice for you. That's the advice that my mentor gave me. And you can go into your whatever you're passionate about, but just know that you're probably going to sacrifice some income for that. And if you're looking to really have that time and financial freedom and maybe replace your income or just pay a bunch of stuff off and be able to go on vacations, then you may want to pick a niche that is proven to convert, and that you can make some high ticket commissions and be able to replace your income a lot faster than you would if you did something where you're passionate about it. And then just use that as a stepping stone so that you can eventually do what you're passionate about. I know in our group, one of the testimonials was years ago, my mentor mentored someone in this niche, Make Money Online niche, and it wasn't his passion, but he used it as a stepping stone, and then he was able to open his own grocery store, which that's what he was passionate about. He used the money to do that. So if you can kind of look at it as a stepping stone, and of course you want it to be something that you are interested and somewhat passionate about. Like I wouldn't go into Forex trading because I'm not interested in that. I don't understand it, even though you could make money in that. But that's my advice to you. I hope you guys found some value. If you are a beginner in affiliate marketing, if you did find some value, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comments below this video. And I also have my contact information in the description below this video. Also, if you want to take a look at Transcend Accelerator and be able to relicense and resell it, I'm going to leave that in the description below the video. That'll be the first link, and you can check that out if you like. With that being said, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.